Who doesn't love plants? Photographing insects in winter is near to impossible. But I thought of poking the soil in the plant pot a bit, hoping to find something. After stirring the soil, started to see some movements. Mites swiftly moving around. Thought of poking a bit more. I was patiently waiting for some more movements when finally saw this. This is a springtail. It's tiny but swift. It as if has a spring-loaded tail that helps it to jump this fast. Look how it springs. Up close, it's beautiful, with bright scale on its back. It has a cute but skull-like face. It may look like an insect, but it's not. It's a hexapod and very beneficial for the environment.